Hi! In this test exercise, we're focusing on phrasal verbs with the word take. You need to choose the correct phrasal verb to replace the verbs that have been highlighted in the following sentences. You'll have a few seconds to answer. Remember to pause the video if you need some more time. So let's begin. Question 1. David has just been promoted. He did not expect his career to become successful so quickly. Is it A, take up, B, take off, or C, take on? Yes, it's B, take off. Question 2. Rafael Nadal will compete against Roger Federer in the Wimbledon final. Is it A, take up, B, take down, or C, take on? That's right, it's C, take on. Question 3. Robert has a habit of talking too much. He tends to dominate the conversation, which is very annoying. Is it A, take over, B, take forward, or C, take on? That's right, it's A, take over. Question 4. Before we meet for lunch, I must remember to withdraw some cash from the bank. Is it A, take out, B, take off, or C, take up? That's right, it's A, take out. Question 5. The company intends to hire 100 new employees. Is it A, take over, B, take on, or C, take up? The correct phrasal verb is B, take on. Question 6. The grand piano will occupy a lot of space in the living room. Is it A, take out, B, take over, or C, take up? Yes, it's C, take up. Question 7. I'm going to borrow a book from the library. Is it A, take off, B, take out, or C, take up? It is in fact B, take out. Question 8. James is extremely busy. He is unable to accept any extra work at the moment. Is it A, take on, B, take up, or C, take off? That's right, it's A, take on. So well done, you have now finished this test. Was it easy or was it challenging? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to receive weekly video lessons to support you with learning English. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.